All right, yes, the market might be free falling, but our accounts are going up. What's going on, money team? It's your boy Jay Dunn, Trades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you all had a discipline-filled trading day and week. I know we did inside Team Bull. We ended the week with a massive trade on QQQ or NQ if you trade futures, and in today's video, we're going to break it down step by step. Now, this was not just one massive trade for me today. This is a strategy that made me nearly $9,000 this week that has allowed me to become and stay a full-time trader for 9 years now, and one that I need you guys to learn. Now, if this trade recap doesn't do it for you, I also just made a 20-minute guide on this exact strategy on my main long-form education YouTube channel at JDunTrades. I'll link that video below. It's a must this weekend if you want to learn this strategy and if you want to make money using it. Now, that being said, I love bringing these to you guys. They're real trade recaps for my real trades, and win, lose, break even, I share them with you. All I ask is you tap in, hit that subscribe, hit that like button, and choose discipline over dopamine in your trading every single day. Now, I started today with a loser. I know that may come as a shock to you, but yes, I admit when I lose trades, you see it in real time. I lost my first trade in front of nearly 2,000 people today inside Team Bull. I was down $1,000 on this. So, technically speaking, I made $3,800 today, but I was down $1,000 to start the day, so let's not leave that out. And let's actually go over it first. So, today I traded QQQ, and as always, I wait the first 15 minutes. We mark our 15-minute high, as you can see here, and our 15-minute low, as you can see here. Now, with the opening range breakout, we come down, we close this 5-minute candle below. We move down here. So on this move back up, you can see it on the 5-minute here and the 1-minute here. We retest back up. I try these puts here, or shorts here, right? We move down a little, and unfortunately on this move back up, it stops me back out as we close above this and break above these highs. So I take a loss on trade one. The orb does not work for me the first time. However, I stay watching price action. I stay composed. I stay patient. I stay disciplined. And what happens is I see us aggressively move up here, and we start to aggressively move back down, volume's increasing, and it looks like we're going to have a failure to go higher, and we're going to break this orb down again. So at this point, when I see this breaking down again, I try the shorts in here, I keep my stop above this candle right here, and my goal is to ride this to low of day, and then next up to pre-market low, and that's exactly what we get. An aggressive move down with solid risk reward that ended up making me back 3 times what I lost. That is a damn good trading day. That is what we call discipline over dopamine. And the process is simple, guys. Yes, I lost this trade the first time. And you know what? After I lost this trade, I was telling everyone listening to me, we had almost 2,000 people in there, that I would take this 10 out of 10 times. I'll take that losing trade 10 more times because I know over a long statistical period of time, it's going to make me money. I have an edge in watching price action with the 15-minute orb, watching volume, and watching each individual candlestick. I've been doing this for 9 years. I know what I'm looking at. I know what I'm reacting on, and I know what I'm executing on. That's what experience does for you. That's what being a disciplined person does for you. You're okay with taking losses. I'm a good-ass loser. I know I'm going to lose trades. I have no ego in knowing that, sometimes my strategy is not going to work. But over time, it will, and that's why I remain a profitable trader. Now, I also want to look at here, that was a great trade. A great day inside Team Bull. We had members, like he had his biggest day ever, $300, which is awesome. Thousands of other people learning, earning, great time, free Discord below. Point of what I'm pulling up here is that on SPY, actually, this orb worked out much cleaner. This is a beauty. You see this? So 15-minute low here, right? Let's pull this up. 15-minute low. You can see 5-minute aggressive break below with increasing volume. Retest back up on the 1-minute. Let this touch, move down, enter the position on this candle here, and then move on down. That's what we want to see. This looks like it wants to keep moving on down too, right? I'm not going to go into technical analysis on this, but that's looking like a good short setup too. So the whole point of learning a strategy, and I'm very good at trading the 15-minute orb. I base a lot of my price action strategies and executions around it. But this acts as a tool, if nothing else. I want to see where the day is trending before it happens. Oftentimes, If you hold above the 15-minute high or below the 15-minute low, that's where you're going to trend for the day. If you reclaim that, break it up, you'll likely see a trend up. This is a case where this market is insane. This is awesome for anyone who's just starting out. You might think volatility crazy, volatility bad. I love this. And by the way, I was thinking too, I may be making a guide. I've thought about making a guide. You got to let me know in the comments if you want this. I've been making $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, this week almost $9,000 trading the Trump market. So if you want a full guide on how to trade the Trump market, how to size your positions based on your account size, what strategies to use, discipline tips, psychology tips, comment that below. Let me know what you want to see in that guide, how I can help you, and what expertise I can bring to you after 9 years of trading in these markets. So that being said, I hope you guys choose discipline over dopamine this weekend. Do not throw away your routine. Do not throw away your discipline just because it's the weekend. You guys have to understand that this trading game is hard. Being a profitable trader long-term requires a ton of self-mastery, a ton of discipline, and you have to commit to being the guy that will not give up no matter what. You're down in the trenches. Your account's down. You can't find confidence. Don't quit. If you have no other edge in this market, keep an edge that you will not quit, and you will keep going until you find that consistency, until you find that discipline, until you find that execution, until you find that confidence you know that you are bound for. If you can do that, put all those pieces together, and then execute those and intertwine those with the strategy you're learning, that is what's going to make you profitable over time. 99% of people fail. They do. 98, 99, whatever it is. A lot of people fail. A lot of those people likely would not have failed if they just didn't give up, and they would have put the work in outside the market, just like they're doing inside the market. So trade smart, trade safe, be the motherfucker who doesn't give up, who doesn't quit, who doesn't take no for an answer, and make your damn money in 2025. I'll see you guys in the next video.